Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, I'll be participating in the Spookylicious Decor Collab, hosted by the Decor Lovers. So stick around to the end to see the spooky
I
result.
had these cute little figurines that belonged to my mom, and the candelabra I had already. It was a thrift find. So what I did was I laced these orange mums through. Then I put in some leaves, a Dollar Tree leaf garland, and burlap ribbon. And then I just put the little figurines on top and some orange candle holders with some tea lights in them. And I think it came out very cute. To start our place setting, I have these simple white placemats, and they have kind of a damask floral on them. But they're very nice, very elegant. And I'm just going to start right. Next, I'm going to come in with an orange charger. And those are from Hobby Lobby. Off-white linen textured dinner plate, which I've also used before. And then an orange Dollar Tree salad plate. On my napkin fold today, I am going to do a rose. And to do the rose, we're going to take the napkin and fold it corner to corner to give you a triangle. Once you have that triangle, you're going to start rolling from the bottom. And roll it pretty thin. Roll and roll about 3/4 of the way up. Just so you have a little tail here. And this is what we're looking for. Then you're going to take it and turn it toward yourself. And you're going to take one end and you're going to start rolling again. And flatten as you roll. Try to keep everything nice and neat. And we're just going to roll and it's going to give you like a little roll up. Can you see that? And we're going to roll all the way to the end. Now, once you've gotten to the end, I want you to take this little tail piece and just tuck it right up in the top. Give it a good firm tuck so everything stays in place. Make sure you hold everything as you're doing this because you don't want everything to fall apart. You're going to take one side and then the other and just fold it down. And when you flip it over, voila, we have our little rosette. And I'm putting our place setting just a little bit off to the left so that I can then put my coaster and glassware. Just to bring in a little glam, because you know your girl likes a little bit of glam, honey. I'm going to come in with these bling glitter edge Dollar Tree coasters. And then I'm going to come in with these champagne flutes. They're made by BB. I believe I picked them up at Ross for $12.99 a pair. Yes, honey. That is giving me a little bling. For our drink today, I'm going to have some Grand Gala liqueur. It tastes very much like Grand Marnier, an orange liqueur as well. So if you like that orange flavor, you will love this. I'm just going to light the candles, bring in the chairs, and then I'll give you that closer look. I'd like to thank the hosts of this collab. Please make sure you stop by their channels and show them some love. as well as all the other participants in this collaboration today. I hope you like what I've put together for you today, and I hope it gives you inspiration to do some spooky-licious decor in your home. If you have not already done so, please join the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video.
Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,